grade 9 learners. Welcome to our English class. Before we start our lesson for today, please take note of the following reminders. First, prepare your paper, pen, and your self-learning tool. Then, you can play or pause this video whenever necessary.
Our topic for Quarter 3, Week 7 is Compare and Contrast Ideas Listened to, with the most essential learning competency, differentiate biases from prejudices. Here are our learning objectives. First, compare and contrast ideas listened to. Next, formulate predictions based on material viewed. Then, make a decision by comparing and contrasting ideas. And finally, relate text content to particular social issues, concerns, or dispositions in life. For our first activity in this lesson, below are captured images from the two video clips which you are about to watch. Can you predict what each video is all about based on the pictures given? Write your answer on your paper. The first video clip that you are about to listen is entitled Make Your Grades Extraordinary, Motivation to Study. In case the link cannot be accessed, provided in your self-learning module is the transcript of the video. However, make sure to ask someone to read it to you. And the second video clip that you are about to listen is entitled The Most Inspirational Video You Will Ever See, Nick Vujicic's Story. In case the link cannot be accessed, provided in your self-learning module is the transcript of the video. However, make sure to ask someone to read it to you. Complete the diagram below. Take note of the overall message of each video clip. Write it on the corresponding box. Then, compare and contrast each of the messages. Write down the strong and weak points of each message under the pros and cons box. Write the message that you choose to follow in the decision box. You may use a separate sheet of paper for this activity. So, what is comparing? What is contrasting? Comparing is the act of evaluating two or more things by determining the relevant, comparable characteristics of each thing, and then determining which characteristics of each are similar to the other, which are different, and to what degree. To compare is to bring two or more things together and to examine them systematically. Comparing things means pointing out the similarities of what they have in common. Sample words are similar, same, to, resembles. Example, that bike has the same color with our car. On the other hand, contrasting. It is the act of evaluating two or more things by determining the characteristics of each, which are different to the other. Contrasting things means pointing out the differences or what they diverge from one another. Furthermore, contrasting is showing differences between two things that are related in some way. Here are sample words: but, however, despise, although, whereas, differs. Example, my taste differs from yours. Contrast, I like the color of her hair, however, it doesn't look good on me. comparison. Reading books is similar to reading an ebook. Watch the video clip about books versus internet by accessing the link given. In case the link cannot be accessed, provided in your self-learning module is the transcript of the video. However, make sure to ask someone to read it to you. And note the advantages and disadvantages of the two by filling out the table given.
Learners, please refer to your self-learning module for the rest of the activities. Job well done! Congratulations for accomplishing Module 7.